I wouldn't say I am happy today, but life goes on. There is nothing that I can do. The truth is that since yesterday, I've been very moody because my channel is not really picking. Nothing is happening. My channel is not moving at all. My videos are not picking. And I have practically done all that I was told to do. Every day I go to my YouTube studios, I check my settings, I check my tags, I check my descriptions, I check other things, a lot of things. I have done everything that I was told to do. Any video I see on settings, I watch the video. I try to implement all that I was told to do on that video, and I implement it in my own still. Nothing seems to be happening. So I am not really happy about this. But what I want to do right now is this. I want to re-strategize. Yes. Though I've been posting long form videos on my channel, so I want to keep posting long form video for 1 month. So I'm embarking on 1 month video challenge. I'll be uploading here for 1 month and see what happens. Not just uploading for 1 month, but I want to make sure that I add value to my videos. I add value, to what I say, to the videos I bring out to public here. That is just it. I also want to work on my thumbnails too. I want to have a clickable thumbnail, so to see what is making my videos not to get view. As it is now, I'm not even talking about going viral, but if I start going viral, I will be happy. But at least let it be that my videos are being recommended. Let it be that YouTube is recommending my video and I am getting views. As it stands now, I have just 7 subscribers, and these 7 subscribers, they mean the whole world to me. In fact, yesterday somebody just subscribed to my channel, making 8 subscribers, and that made me to be so happy, to relieve me from being hot, because the truth is that before yesterday I was really hot. I would put my energy and all that, make a video, upload, and at the end nothing happens. So that is it. I want to re-strategize, and I want to keep posting long form videos for complete 1 month. Some people said, why not post other people's videos, other people's shorts, to get subscribers. But I have heard a lot of things. People said after posting short videos, and after getting subscribers from short videos, when you start making long form videos, those subscribers you got from short videos don't watch your long form videos, and that is really hurting their channels right now. So I wouldn't want such thing to happen to me. I wouldn't want such at all. So I don't want to post short videos. Even if I will post short, let it be that after I am being monetized. That is just the truth. So I want to get my subscribers, my loyal subscribers, through my long form videos. That is it. So please, if you know what to do, what you think that I should do to improve my channel, to start getting subscribers, please help a sister, because I don't know what to do anymore. Like I said, my re-strategizing is on my thumbnail, my video quality, and all that. If after doing all this I did not still get subscribers, and I did not still get recommendation from YouTube or views, that means I am going to forget about this channel and open up another channel. Okay, that is just it. But I am not going to give up on YouTube, because I'm not going anywhere. This is my favorite social media channel, you know so this is the only social media that I love and cherish so much. I am not giving up on you, YouTube. I am not giving up on you. Don't think that all these things you are doing is, will make me to stop, you know will make me to run away from YouTube. Not now, not tomorrow. I am not leaving YouTube. So you better know what to do. Start recommending my videos, please. Hey Joel. So that is it. So it's 1 month challenge. If you are interested, you can join me. Let's embark on this 1 month valuable challenge, because I know that after this 1 month challenge, or even before this 1 month challenge, something good, there will be good news. That's just the truth. There will be good news. So what are you waiting for? If you're on my shoe, if the same thing is happening to you, you're not getting views, you're not getting subscribers and all that, join me. Let's embark on this 1 month challenge. And I know that before or after this 1 month challenge, our channel will turn around for good. So whatever happens along the way, I will definitely come back to share, to tell you my experiences, good or bad, but I am hopeful for good. So I will be definitely be coming back here to share my experiences with you. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.